The Kohinoor diamond, whose name means Mountain of Light in Persian, is one of the world's most storied gems, steeped in myth, power, and historical controversy. Mined from the fabled Kollur mine in the Andhra region of India, this 105.6 carat diamond has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, shifting hands through bloodshed, diplomacy, and conquest. Originally embedded in the legendary Mughal peacock throne, the Kohinoor diamond glittered and dazzled in the opulent courts of India's most powerful rulers. Over the centuries, it passed through the hands of the Mughal, Afghan, and Sikh empires, symbolizing sovereignty and allure. By the mid-19th century, the diamond came into the possession of Maharaja Duleep Singh, who was just 11 years old. As part of the Treaty of Lahore, signed after the Second Anglo-Sikh War, the young monarch was compelled to cede the Kohinoor to the British in 1849, a move that marked the formal annexation of Punjab. Though officially gifted to Queen Victoria, the diamond's transfer remains deeply contested and stands as a lasting emblem of colonial appropriation. A prevailing legend claims that only women can wear the Kohinoor safely. For men, it brings misfortune. Even Queen Victoria, who personally owned the Kohinoor, stated in her will that the diamond should only be worn by women. Respecting the myth and Queen's will, it has adorned the crowns of British royal women, including Queen Alexandra, Queen Mary, and most notably, Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, during her coronation in 1937. It now rests among the British crown jewels displayed in the Jewel House at the Tower of London. The Kohinoor was originally much larger, estimated at 186 old carats, but was recut in 1852 on Prince Albert's orders, reducing its weight by over 40% to enhance brilliance. A comparable gem called Darya-e-Noor, which means the Sea of Light and is believed to be part of the original Kohinoor, remains in Iran's crown jewels. The Kohinoor remains a symbol of the intertwined histories of South Asia and the British Empire. Encased in glass, it still sparks debate, wonder, and longing across continents, a gem as heavy with history as with carats.